Good morning. I didn't film too much of yesterday, so today I've got the morning to myself. I'm going to crack on and get this exhaust system fit to the Land Rover, which is over there, and I'm also going to get on and get the brake discs cleaned up, and then we can book it in for an MOT. But first, let me show you some of the stuff that I did last night. I have finished the painting on the chassis, and I've also given the whole underside a coating with what would you call it, like an underbody treatment called Lancashire. So you might be able to see it's got like a shiny sheen to the underbody, a chassis in the arches. So this is the stuff that I've got. It's Lancashire long lasting surface protection, anti-corrosion and lubricant. It's a eco-friendly underbody treatment. Got it in here, and I've just squirted it round with this. It does come with other attachments. Have a long nozzle that you can attach to the big bottle and just work your way around, and it also has come with some grease for putting on areas of extra rustiness. Yeah, so that's the treatment. It smells a bit like shoe polish. It's funny. But yeah, really impressed with it. And I've used, I'd say, less than a litre. Right, let's get this exhaust back on, because I think the neighbours are going to go mental if I keep starting it up without the exhaust on. Right, that's the exhaust system all back on. Now, while we've got this wheel off, I'm going to give that brake disc a good clean up with the wire brush. Hopefully it comes up alright. That's the first brake disc all cleaned up. I used the angle grinder with the wire wheel. Now I'm going to work through the rest of them super quick. Well, after loads of hard work and lots of sweat, it's roasting out there, she's finished. The next thing we will be doing is MOT now, so thanks for watching. See you at MOT time.